battle, you fight over hip hop. I rock the body that rocks the body. You rock the party that rocks the body. I rock the party that rocks the body. You rock the party that rocks the body. I rock the party that rocks the body. You rock the party that rocks the body. I rock the party that rocks the body. You rock the party that rocks the body.
I'm the MISSU best nigga from the trade, and I be smoking hay all day in the barn, damn it, darn. Fuck, that'd be my pal when I hee. I took your number one spot, I just skipped and I hop. I'm so hot, so you can't forget me not to the yes, y'all. I'ma take a pause, cause I be feeling myself like I was T-Bars. The S-H-A to the E making you scream. And I'ma show enough be the boss on this team. All you MCs, how Missy make you green. Yeah. You rock the party that rocks the body. I rock the party that rocks. What's up, hip-hop heads all around the world, and to everybody that's watching me from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm your boy, I'm your host, Shea Butter, and this is another episode of I Am a Fan. Make sure my mic on. And it is here where I showcase rap artists from the past and from the present, dead or alive, and I pay what? Homage to them. Yes, I pay homage. So we went to day 3, y'all, of I Am a Fan of Missy. We keep the first 2 days off strong. Even kicked in a dance routine on the first day. For those who don't know, I love to dance. I'm a choreographer. I'm a choreographed dancer. I can learn choreography like nothing. Chris Brown, what's up? What's up, CB? Janet, what's up, Janet? Hey, I can audition. I can definitely audition. Let's see. Trying to think. Do I have any announcements? I don't think I have any announcements. The only thing I would say is yesterday's episode, I tried to post it on YouTube, and for some reason it's blocked. Like it's blocked. So I don't know if y'all can see it on YouTube or not, but it's blocked. I've deleted it and uploaded it several times, and it's still blocked. I don't know what that's about, but episode 60, yeah, it's blocked on YouTube. So if you want to watch it, you can definitely watch it on Instagram and Facebook. I don't have nothing else, but before we move forward, let's do a quick recap. So we kicked day 1 off with we kicked day 1 off with Lose Control, where I had to put in the dance steps. We kicked day 2 off with Work It, a classic, ultimate classic. And we made it here to day 3, y'all. And day 3 is a classic too. This one is, yeah, y'all will see it. But anyway, I am a fan of Missy, and I'm also a fan of songs like this. Back to the beginning, y'all. Where it all started. Here we go. When the rain hits my window, I take in me some endo. Me and Timberland, ooh, we sing a jangle. Be so tight that you get our styles tangled. Sway your do-si-do like he loco. Can we get kinky like Coco? So, you wanna play it with my yo-yo? I smoke my hydro on the D-Lo. It's my window, I can't stand the rain. I'm driving to the beach, top down, loud sound, see my peeps. Give 'em pound now, look who it be. It be me, and Timothy. Look like it's about to rain, what a shame. I got the armor all the sign of the stain. Old Missy try to maintain. Yes, yes. I feel the wind, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Begin. I sit on hills like Lauren until the rain starts coming down, pouring. Chill. I got my umbrella. My finger waves for days, they fall like dumping. I break up with him before he dump me. They're happy if you lucky. My light went out, y'all. So the green screen went dark, that's what happened. Just keep it going. Alright, y'all, I'm out. All right, let's go day 3. Listen, y'all definitely should have seen that one coming. I mean, come on, that was the start. And in the middle of that, my light went out. So like I said, if my green screen look a little strange or a little different, that's what happened. The light went out and I ain't even have time to fix it. I'm just keeping it going, y'all. In show business, they teach you the show must go on. So hey, the show must go on. So tune in tomorrow. I will be back with another one from Missy, y'all. Another great turn up. Y'all, this is Missy Elliott week, y'all. Tune in. Keep watching. I am your boy. I'm your host, Shea Butter. This is I Am a Fan. And as always, love, peace, and hip hop, y'all. What's up to all my hip hop heads out there? Listen, if you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the content, and if you're enjoying I Am a Fan, to all my social media users out there, Facebook and Instagram, please like, comment, and share the video. And to all my YouTube viewers out there, please like, comment, share the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the video so that I can keep this good content coming. And as always, love, peace, and hip hop, y'all.